Hey Baba. I just want to greet you happy new year. I don't know how to make this special, but I'm just gonna make a video for you. And happy new year. Enjoy the night. I'm really sorry I can't be with you. Alam mo kung bakit. And yeah. So I love you so much. You know that. Thank you. You made my 2012 so special. And yeah, here are some lines of my song for you. Lines lang, hindi lahat. So yeah, okay, there you go. All my life, I pray for some